Well, it's Sunday morning and it's time to get up and do a bit of exploring with Perth Adventure Riders. Today's ride leaves from the dark and mysterious jungle of Mundaring. Mundaring Dome, that is. Colin Bayman has set us a course through the Australian bushland to Jarrahdale. The 134 kilometre trek should take us about 3 or 4 hours with no fuel stops in between and no shops, nothing.
How are you?
The 36 riders prepare themselves for what's to come.
I hope so.
At 9 o'clock on the dot, engines are started, stands are up, and we hit the road. In no time we find ourselves powering down the gravel tracks. Unfortunately for me, I suddenly realised that I've left my backpack back at the dome and I have to turn around and head back to see if it's still there. Unfortunately for me, by the time I turned around, picked up my backpack, refueled and headed back down the track, by the time I got to Jarrahdale, everyone had gone.